If you want to learn how to delete a folder using AWS S3 in N8n, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and practical way. This is especially useful if you are building workflows in N8n and need to clean up files, remove old folders, or manage your S3 storage automatically without doing it manually. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add the AWS S3 node, choose the correct delete folder action, and configure it with the right details. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy N8n tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your N8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can search for and add different services and actions to your automation. In the search bar, type AWS S3. Once it appears, click it to add the AWS S3 node to your workflow. After the node is added, the next step is to choose the Delete a Folder option. This tells N8n that you want to remove an entire folder from your Amazon S3 bucket rather than uploading, downloading, or listing files. Make sure you select the correct action so the workflow performs the exact task you need. Now, it's time to configure the node by giving the required details. You'll need to connect your AWS credentials if you haven't already done that. Then fill in the bucket information and specify the folder path you want to delete. Be very careful here because the folder name or path needs to match exactly what is in your S3 bucket. If the path is incorrect, the workflow may fail or delete the wrong location. Depending on your setup, you may also need to confirm additional settings such as region or object path format. Always double check the values before running the workflow, especially if the folder contains important files. Once everything is configured, save the node and run a test execution to confirm that the folder is removed successfully. If the folder is deleted as expected, then your setup is complete. You've now learned how to delete a folder using AWS S3 in N8n by selecting the AWS S3 node, choosing Delete a Folder, and configuring it with the correct details. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next N8n automation guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.